Hi people, so in today's class I want to quickly share with you how I made this beautiful design of Asooke Zaraka. Okay, so you don't need so much Asooke in making this, and I'll be using this layer which is 65 inches of length. And if you look at the two edges, I've already folded it. You can fold it just for it to be neat, or you can use your soldering iron while cutting it out. All right, so what I'll do at one end of this is to plait. This tutorial is for a beginner, like you have not really tried out this design. With this tutorial you'll be able to create it because I made it well detailed that you can easily understand and try it. So what I'm doing now is to pleat, and for this pleat I'm going to pleat like length of 10, 13 inches, and I will hold it down with a pin. If a beginner tries to pleat without this step, you may really find it difficult, okay, to continue. So you can use this my method. Pleat about 13 inches of length, hold it down with a pin before you start rolling it to form the circular shape. Okay, so quickly follow this tutorial to the end. You find out how I made the pleats and how I also achieved the fan. Okay, so pay attention, and if you enjoy my tutorial, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, like and share this video. Leave me a comment if you have any question at all. Okay, so while making my pleats, I love to unstitch as I pleat. Okay, some people can use pin to hold it and then at the end they start hand stitching, but I love to hand stitch it as I am pleating it. For me, I think I prefer that. It makes it stay in shape without losing. Okay, so what I'm simply doing right now is just to form like a base. I'm rolling the pleat just to enable me form like a base, a round base where the fan, okay, the fan will come in. Okay, so while folding it, make sure that you stitch to hold it in place. Okay, so when I'm done doing this, then I'll move to how to form my fan. I explained everything here in details. Okay, so pay attention and watch till the end to see how I achieved that. If you like my tutorials, please hit the like button. You can leave me a comment if you have any question at all, and if you are yet to subscribe to my channel, I will advise you do so so that you stay updated once I drop my tutorials. All right, okay guys, so I've come to the end of this creating the base. So I'm going to be using this remaining length just to achieve the fan shape. I hope you're enjoying this tutorial, so you keep watching and you see how I create my fan. So while picking for the fan, I made it to be in form of a slant shape. Okay, so Can you see how it's forming? Then I'll pick again, just in form of slant. All right, so that the fan will keep forming. All right, and at the end I'm just going to be using my thread to tack it down. So keep watching, and if you enjoyed this tutorial, please like my videos, share, and if you are yet to subscribe, please kindly do so that you stay updated once I drop my tutorials.